complete vlog moment a while ago. So, most of the footage I'm off from New Jersey, we forget to take them off of the camera. I filmed and the whole memory card is done a while ago. So I started to delete videos, like I was just deleting the videos. And I deleted a few of the New Jersey. I deleted maybe like 3 scenes of a New Jersey vlog that I didn't back up, so. But it doesn't matter though, that was like the intro of the video, so it don't really matter, I didn't delete much. But I want to show you guys this river back there, you feel me? Keeping my water fresh and just ease themselves automatically. So guys, we pretty much just got to the what? 500-year-old country?
520 years old cotton tree.
520 years old.
You could see inside here it's like a boat.
Yeah.
Normally they use this tree also to make the canoes.
The canoes, okay.
Boat.
As in they use the wood?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you could see inside, you could go inside that.
Alright, see what's up inside here. Show you guys like, you know, how big it is inside. Look at that. This whole dude is inside. Yeah. Yep. Wow. At least I can say I saw a cotton tree.
And remember I was telling you earlier on about the Spring of Life. That's where we are now.
Spring of Life.
Very close to the Spring of Life. Right over here?
Yeah.
Spring of Life.
Whoa.
That's where all the water is coming from, just right up there.
And that's the spring that can never be done. It's
never dry.
Unless it's like a famine.
Always running.
Always running. Cool.
Also unless it's like a pumpkin.
Yeah. Can you imagine this thing has been about for this is like 5 generations easily.
And if you see right here, it's like an eye in the tree.
I saw that, yeah.
See the wrinkle of the face coming down, they said it's half of the elephant face right there.
Oh, yeah. Yo, look. Alright, there go the eye right there. That's the eye, Zane. And then you can see come down like a trunk. Yo! And then this look like the ears, kind of. Amatic. Ah, that's dope. That's dope. Alright. Hold on, let me get my bag. I can't leave my precious. I got too much equipment in there.
Over on this side we have like the natural spring, you know.
Natural spring.
Because the whole of this mountain is a cave, you know. So we have the entrance for the cave, you know. That's a stairway. So wherever you see this rail, it's straight to the cave.
Oh, I did see that on the map.
Here we have like a natural healing bath over here. Just come and check it out.
Whoa.
It's like a little mini cave. This is also a part of the cave.
Whoa.
Over here you see where the tree root with the water.
Yeah.
The rock all merged right here.
That right there is a tree root, guys. From the cotton tree?
No, from a tree up top.
Oh, from a tree up top.
Okay.
That tree got a lot of water.
Yeah.
The tree is good. Whoa.
You come right here, you can see the natural difference of this water. It's like very cold.
Yeah.
Come on, bless you, know? Give that time to
Yo. Yep. The water is definitely cold, guys. Definitely cold. But I think the most unique thing that I can see here is definitely the tree that grew around the rock, and that's what you call adaptation. Remember, guys, love nature, adaptation. That's everything in one right there.
And also many culture come here, because even the Rasta man, they come here use it for also healing purpose. Like their own meditate room, and they go in there, they come very early before even the sun shines. So when the sun is shining, it's like shining directly
into that. Oh.
So the Rasta also use it for their meditation. If you could see the candles over there, you know, all different religions come here just to use this water. It's like a natural healing water.
Yo, you know, I saw it and I thought it was like some strange things, but he's talking about those candles here. They were lit, they melted. Wow. like, does it lead out? Like, can people go through there or no?
Yeah, it's like another little pool inside there, but it's like very few people go down there.
Okay. Wow. This is pretty unique, guys. Pretty unique. Guys, don't believe like I'm not gonna talk about the food just now. Like, it was supposed to be like vegan, but it's veggie chunks, and veggie chunks is, yeah. So I don't think it's anything overly special, but I had fried chicken. You guys know how I am about chicken. I think chicken is just chicken, but it meant good. Like, it fried good. Are the auntie who serve it that she cookie?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Are the real auntie them. My auntie them have a nice, like a fat arm them. Them the auntie they can cook. The rice and peas nice. You understand?
Yeah, man. And also here it's from the Spring of Life. You know, this is where the Rasta them would come, and all people from all over come just to catch a bottle of water from here, because they said like this water is very powerful, you know. Just gave them a different
feeling.
Whenever you drink it, it's also different from the spring water you drink in the bottle, because they said, you know, it's have like preservatives inside the bottle water, so they don't do the bottle water.
This one, yeah.
The Rasta is come to catch the natural thing.
Do you know what these are those are the green stuff in the water or no?
Yeah, man. Some of them are water lily, the water fish, and also the water grass.
I say me there, so I try to catch that boy off guard, and can't catch him off guard with the information. You know everything. Yo, you got it, man. You got it. All right, all right. All right, I drop a pop quiz on him to see if you know why I'm talking about. What a tree right there, that little mangrove looking something.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, I didn't get the name for this one.
Okay.
If you could know the name, you could tell me the name.
Yeah, definitely.
You know that one?
No, I don't know it. I really don't. But it looks.
Sorry about that, you know.
That's fine.
The more we live, the more we get more
information, a real thing.
So, you know, normally most of my information I get it from the elders in the community.
So yeah.
That's the way I know most of this. And
that's ecotourism.
I go to, like the class for the tour guide, you know. So that's the way
you learn, yeah.
I learn to plan.
I think I have an app on my phone that could you can take a picture of the tree, and it would tell you. But that, because right there, the reason why I really asked, they have that plant, like that fruit looking thing.
Yeah, it's like a fruit, but
they can't eat it.
I don't think we Jamaican eat that.
I don't think so either.
If anyone out there will eat those fruit, you know. But it's like really a fruit.
I can't explain it, guys, because the camera's not picking it up. But it looks like a watermelon, but with a turtle shell pattern on the back. That's what it looks like. It's kind of strange. All right.
So this little hole right here, it's about I say 8 feet wide.
8 feet wide.
And say the length of it, how far the diver go. They said they go 150 feet, you know. Yeah.
As in down?
It's 150 feet, because why they didn't go any further? They said it's like another body of water under this water, so it's like very strong current down below. So it's like spinning, hitting on a rock, and split go 4 different directions, like a cave, which go east, west.
So they put maybe dive suits on and go down.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Like 2 divers from America, I think.
Did that?
The whole community
was watching. I know. Oh, now I can see the plant a bit better, guys. First I thought it was like a turtle shell pattern, but actually it's it has grooves in there. Anybody who knows this, just drop a comment and let us know. You know, as Richie said, spread the information and we'll learn together down.
Yeah,
my thing. Alright, so what's the next thing? We're heading back up and that's it, right?
Yeah.
Yo, great freaking experience. I'll catch up with you guys back when I get up there. Okay, so I thought we were done, but pretty much we're not. So she just got a key to open up the Garden of Eden. I'm joking, that's the Blue Hole Garden. Now he's gonna give me a quick tour on.
Don't know, so we know if we do it.
Yo, wait. This. Alright.
Over here we got the bird of paradise, you know.
I have that at my house. Bird of paradise.
Expensive flower in America.
Alright.
Well, I don't know the name as yet, but it's like very special flower. Right here.
Yeah, this one.
Same one over on this side. It's more like that. plastic, but very real.
It's very real. Yeah. Try to get a close up. Guys, let me tell you my impression of here. See, down by the other part, it's very loud, it's very powerful. You can tell that modern nature is at work. But down here, it's completely different. Here is probably the most relaxing spot that I've been on this entire experience. Listen closely. Exactly. It's pretty serene. Here guys, to the bridge.
Blue hole garden, huh?
Whoa.
This is the blue hole. If you could see the color of it, it's all blue.
Whoa.
And in the storm seasons, go straight to the third step up there.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like cover all those rocks.
So we have 1, 2, 3. So third step up there, guys. That's pretty high.
And in the dry season, it's normally go down inside like a little funnel shape, you know.
Oh, I see.
See all this body of
Water, skull,
right
down. Let me tell you this, guys. When you hear about the water blue, don't come here thinking you're gonna see like a Chelsea blue or a sky blue. It's more like an aquamarine kind of blue look. So don't get it twisted. Because the first time I went to Blue Hole, I was like, yo, the water is not blue.
But sometimes it's really come to the sky blue when it's like.
Really?
Because it's like raining now. More dark.
Plus there's no sunshine too. It's pretty dark out maybe. It says swim at your own risk. People come here and swim, or do you have to pay to come in here? Or?
Yeah, normally if you see the sign out there,
yeah.
It's like $15 you come inside, you swim, do whatever
you want. Okay, cool.
Normally they do like an all-inclusive, or sometimes they do like weddings if you can see like a gazebo.
Yeah, this would be a nice wedding.
They have rooms up there also, it's like a different attraction. You know? But because we and them have a good relationship,
they allow you. So we call it, guys, VIP access. VIP!
If you could see the fishes in the water.
Yeah.
Those are the mullets, you know, freshwater mullets.
You can see all the steps, guys. The steps go all the way down. So I guess when the water gets even lower, because, alright, take a look. When the water gets even lower, because aren't there more steps going down?
It's like 13 steps. Like,
yeah. Yeah, so when this body of water goes, like there are still steps to go lower to the water. Straight to the water, no matter the level. I'm gonna try to catch it so you guys can see for yourself, but you guys can see those so far, but then of course it goes down more and more and more. It's pretty dope. Alright guys, fact is facts. A lot of you know, like, whenever you watch my vlogs, you guys meet a lot of new places, you see a lot of new people, you see the culture firsthand. So if you love these videos and you're watching them and you're subscribing, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you didn't, hit the like button. Is it because my tour guide was awesome and he just showed me a little bit of information here. So that's the information. If you guys just want to come here only, and then of course if you want to get married here, that's the number, give it a call and do what you gotta do.
Sexy girl.
Now he's throwing back the keys to the sexy girl. Let's go. So you said that one has 27 cold minerals inside?
Not cold minerals.
Sorry.
The minerals.
27 minerals inside. Jeez.
The stalactite, you know.
Yeah, I know that from geo class. In high school.
The crystal, you know, even the other day, I bring some guests here, they find like a big crystal stone there. I said, whoa.
Seriously?
Very lucky, you know. They even take it home, you know.
I wonder if that's valid anything. I wonder. Can I actually like drink this water? Listen, if something happens to me, man, I'm coming back for you, Richie.
Man, I tell you.
I'm joking, man.
Anywhere, bro. Blood. Anybody from anywhere. I tell you this. They always drink this water and they like no complaint. I didn't get a complaint. It's more like the pipe water. They're more complaining about.
I can't quite put a hand on it, but this water is fresh.
Different.
Yeah, like normally you drink water, you can tell that something's in it.
Like a sunburn and mosquito bite. I tell you, this water is also good for it. Giant pain in it. If you just put like your ankle or your feet in the water here, you could feel like.
You feel the betterness.
Yeah, you feel it straight to the bone, you know. The coldness of the water.
Yeah. Straight
to the bone.
I'm definitely going inside this water because of my feet. Blow! It's cold! This is the best part about having Crocs.
Even some Chile come here just the other day on a tour and they said it was like in Chile the water was cold, but by the time they should put their body inside
it's different.
Like, whoa, it's cold, you know.
Yo guys, Jamaica is yo.
And if you see it's right there, the water is coming from straight from underneath the mountain.
Yeah. Yo, let me tell you, man. Jamaica for me, Jamaica is too awesome, man. It's too freaking amazing. Like there's just so many different things. Like I found out about this place maybe like a month ago. I never knew where the hell this place was. You know what I'm saying? Now a lot of people are gonna watch this. They're gonna know and they're gonna come here. When you guys come here, tell them that Soai vlogs. Tell them that Stephen, the guy with the camera and the green shoes. Yeah. Crocs are good for the water, trust me. Just tell them. You guys are not gonna regret it. What's the price though? To come here, how much do they have to pay? Like
normally it's like 150 US.
$150.
Yeah, per person.
Per person.
Yeah, so it's like 8 bikes. So you know we normally do groups like.
Groups.
Yeah, 4.
Groups of 4. Okay, that's not bad.
You know, and if you just want to come by yourself as you come.
Possible.
You know, it's also enjoyable, you know.
Yeah.
Like real fun. You know?
Yeah, my significant other had other things to do. I hope you're doing your schoolwork, girl. But yeah, but it's just as fun because let me tell you, man, Richie is freaking awesome. I'm telling you, man, freaking awesome. Like I had no problems. Very patient, very kind, very informative. That's the best part. This guy knows a lot of stuff. All right, so I came in the bathroom to take a quick peek. This is the bathroom. Very nice looking tiles and everything. Designs in the roof. So don't look on the outside and think because the outside looks weird, the inside isn't good. It's nice. All right, just to give you a time check, kind of lucky that he started the tour a bit early. Started at 2 o'clock pretty much, and now it's 4 o'clock. So that's like 2 hours. 2 hours already of touring. And Richie did offer me some avocado. I think he's picking them now. Which part are they? Oh, the inside. Ah, mad. Yo, complete freaking experience. Complete experience. I have to give you guys the full-on review of what I think. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Avocados. Now, in Kingston where I live, the avocado season is around. Oh yeah, it's around now. Yeah, avocado should be bearing in Kingston too. That's pretty dope. And those are bananas, eh?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Sounds freaking good. Sounds awesome. Alright guys, so the experience is pretty much done. I'm gonna give you some ratings that you guys know how I feel about it. Now, first of all, the rain caught us and we had to be like running in the rain. I wish I caught it on camera because that was like an experience in itself. You feel me? That was pretty, it was pretty surreal. Now for the entirety of the experience, I was thinking 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. Why? Richie forgot to give me a helmet or a goggles. Now that was kind of on my fault too because I should have asked one, but I was so excited to go on it. The reason why that was important for me is because when you're driving the ATV, you know, the wind and the dust and whatever gets in your eyes, so it's a little bit uncomfortable, but that was the only fault that I had with it. Now, what pushed it back for me to a 9 or a 9.5 is this guy's hospitality. This guy was so hospitable. Like, there are so many opportunities where he could have driven past some spots and not showed me because he wanted to catch some other deal or catch some other person to do a tour with, because I saw it happening. Like, 2 guys wanted to get the tour or whatever the case is, and he stopped and he gave me all the information. He was super informed, so that pushed it back up to me, for me, to like a 9 or 9.5. Now, what also solidified that, he gave me avocados. I mean, you don't have to do that, but that was 100% Jamaican hospitality. The entire thing was just that the whole neighborhood, it felt like the people there were just chill and relaxed. It allowed me to see a different part of Jamaica, the different vibrations of the people. And the area in itself is definitely a 10 out of 10. My only issue was just that goggles thing. You feel me? Now it's kind of getting me to the point where I want a pack of goggles in my bag, like, or something. I don't know, it's kind of strange, but I like being prepared for stuff. But otherwise, that was my only issue, and it was a really super awesome experience. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Rastafari experience. I hope you guys come here, make sure that you ask for your helmet or your goggles, because I did ask him and he said that there are helmets there, but some people, they don't like it for some reason, because maybe it makes them feel uncomfortable. Helmets are uncomfortable, but it's for your safety, remember guys. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm heading back to Montego Bay, take a little nap, you know, give Vanilla some time, some me time, and then heading to Kingston. It was great having you guys with me, and please remember, I'm doing this for you, going out there experiencing these things. If you want to see more experiences like these, remember, hit the like button. You don't even have to subscribe if you don't want to, but hit the like button, and I hope to see you again on the next video if you haven't been subscribed. But if you want to keep watching these videos, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time on another Soai Vlogs video. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.